So one tip I want to let you know about is when you want to put material supports like this on your structure, on your model, you might want to flip your model first. I had this model facing flat, this long side here, and that forced me to put um, support material inside here for this floating perimeter, and that would have been a lot more here surface area to have to cover to support that hanging, that right there. You can't just print that without supports, right? So by flipping this, we have less supports now. We're able to put supports only on this little area here. And so that's one thing you want to try is flipping your models so you can save more filament, get less support requirements on your model before you print it. So it's something I don't think about a lot and didn't think about before I talked to Prusa Support. And he's like, why don't you flip it to make that less supports and then easier to take off. So that was I just didn't think about it. I was like, oh yeah, right. Like there's other areas you can flip to support. You don't have to support the longest side on your, the biggest thing on your model necessarily. So try that and see how it goes and keep that in mind.